Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to add grid lines to Google Slides, your ultimate 2025 guide to perfectly aligning every element in your presentation. Whether you're designing a professional deck or a creative project, these tips will make your slides look clean, organized, and polished. Let's dive in. First, open the presentation you want to work on in Google Slides. Once you're in, look at the top menu bar and click on View. From the drop-down, hover over Guides, and then select Show Guides. Right away, you'll see the default guides appear in the middle of your slide. These are your starting points for aligning content perfectly. Now, here's where the magic happens. You can click and drag these guides to reposition them anywhere on your slide. Want more precision? Right-click anywhere on your slide, and you'll see options to add horizontal guide or add vertical guide. This allows you to create as many guides as you need to structure your layout exactly how you want it. As you move objects around, notice the blue dynamic lines that appear. These lines show when your elements are equidistant from each other, giving you a real-time grid that makes everything line up perfectly. It's like having an invisible ruler guiding every shape, image, or text box you place. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can transform your slides into perfectly organized, visually appealing presentations. Using grid lines isn't just about aesthetics. It makes your content easier to read and far more professional. Give this method a try on your next presentation, and you'll never struggle with alignment again. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!